Hey guys, welcome back to Filson channel. Today we'd like to talk about our Coalescer filter element. Filson is always good at manufacturing Coalescer filter elements in a variety of lengths and diameters. They are used to achieve 15 ppm separation level or below. Its outer surface is the main filtration part, which usually made from fiberglass material, while insert support frame and end caps are in stainless steel as standard. Special material options are always available, just contact with our technicians. It can maintain well performance under temperature of maximum 300 and differential pressure of max 3.5 bars. We suggest to change it when differential pressure reaches to 1 bar for a safe and stable operation. Our coalescing filter elements feature long service life and superior liquid-liquid separation efficiency, so they are more cost-effective even compared with other less efficient methods like salt dryers. Contact Filson now if you are working on Coalescer filter projects.